Good morning. It is sunny.
And Sunday. This little baby's asleep. We're by the lake this morning.
We went to church this morning. First time this baby's been at church. He did swimmingly.
He did. We even had someone come to us and say, so good to hear the voice of a child.
Yeah.
So that was sweet.
But we're walking the lakefront because Sarah hasn't been to the lakefront yet.
No. On foot.
On foot, at least. Because it's been me doing these runs in the morning. So before we head down to the south side or get back home and finish doing some errands first, we're going to take a little stroll.
We're just relaxing.
I sure brought my sunglasses.
It's so sunny.
How does it feel to be back on the lakefront?
It feels so good. I love it.
I think it's just snoozing.
I know. It's definitely, the sunshine definitely like made him close his eyes. But, I mean, soak up that vitamin D.
Our living room table is here, and it was originally supposed to get delivered tomorrow, which is we thought was gonna be better because we'd be here. And it got switched to today, and we were nervous we weren't gonna be here.
But we're here.
Yes. Here is the coffee table, all done. The baby can't stop staring and laughing at me. Hi, sweetie. You gotta get ready for a road trip. You ready?
Whole 12 miles.
Yeah, you ready? Yeah. I love you so much. Ow!
You guys.
I mean, come on. Could you ever get sick of this skyline or find a better skyline? I'm open up for the debate in the comment section. What are you? Atlanta? Yeah, right. Nashville? Pff. LA? Okay, New York is up for debate, but I'm extremely biased. What is that? What is that?
It's a Polish.
Sarah asked me if they make Chicago dogs at Pops.
I just wanted to verify before. It's not, is it technically Chicago?
Yeah.
It is Chicago.
Yeah.
Okay, I just was.
And it was my first job.
I'm sorry, run away. I am as least Chicagoan as it gets because I like just ketchup, but I also got a Chicago dog.
A ball pit. Yeah. Whoa. Is this crazy or what? So many things to grab. Just chilling now.
Yeah. Loyola is playing University of Illinois
Sports.
in basketball, but like, I feel like if any Chicago college sport we're into is basketball.
This is what happens sometimes, like, the kids are like half napping, so Christine and Grant just ran upstairs to like make sure they were good, and she was like getting ready for dinner, so like we're just chilling here now.
Yeah, but it's
Sunday
it's-
relaxing.
right. But it's just funny that like we have had zero interaction with like college basketball in 4 years, and then like this is like the first March Madness since we've been back, and it's on the
two
TV.
Chicago teams.
Right.
Or two Illinois teams, because
Right.
U of I is not a Chicago
Or two
team.
common universities that like people we would know would go to. So that's kind of cool. Look at this boy's blue eyes next to the stroller.
I forgot this thing's got a cool thing.
He's relaxing. Hey. He's so chill. Apparently we're gonna like play
Dingers?
dingers. We're gonna play some softball. Let's see how this goes. Haven't swung a bat in 10 years.
You know what? It's been since my sophomore year of high school. It's the last year I played softball.
Bless you, baby.
Bless you, Sneezy McGee.
Oh, God.
Now, these are grade A pitches, though, I will say. You're good.
Me and Luca are just running through the field. You love watching all the baseball playing. Yeah.
Did I do a good job?
Yeah, Mommy, you did the best job. Yeah.
I was not ready for that.
But if I know you, I know what you do. You love me at once. Oh yeah? See the cardinal? It's a grandpa bird.
Sometimes you're just a boy enjoying some dirt. Violet, what are you drinking? You're drinking juice? What is that?
You full?
What is that?
Like the best. It's like it's kind of like a. How would you describe it called? Like a probiotic. I drank it in the Philippines when I was a kid.
Change of scenery. We are home. It's actually pretty late. We are pros at Midwestern goodbyes. If you don't know what that means, it's like you say you're leaving and then you chat and then you put on your coat and then you chat and then you move closer to the door and then you chat and then you chat in the doorway. We're really good at that. We've always been good at that here, Florida, anywhere we go. Hold on, I have to go assist Eve. She's been really good at not jumping on things, but now she barks for us to put her on things. Okay, I'm back. That's also been the case with her jumping off of things, which is great. Like, she's a super smart dog, but I'm just really happy that she's been listening. So after we just like hung out in the backyard and had a lot of fun outside, some of my aunts and uncles came over to meet James, which was super special and nice, and my mom made like Sunday red sauce and pasta and bread and salad and all of that deliciousness. So we had that for dinner, and then just talked, hung out, enjoyed each other's company. It's great because most of my family has been vaccinated, so that's been great peace of mind. And now we're home. I think because it is after 10, we're gonna maybe just watch an episode of Phil's show that we bought last night and then head to bed. We have Sunday-itis, which means when you don't feel good on a Sunday night because you're just not ready for Monday morning yet.
All right, it's later than we should be awake, but that happens sometimes, especially after a very busy weekend. Today is by Rumi. Sell your cleverness and buy bewilderment. What do you guys think of the decorating we've been doing in the apartment? I feel like because our last apartment was the most set up ever since we've moved out 5 years ago, that this has been the quickest we've ramped up, but that's kind of like cheating because we've had the most pieces. But we've definitely like finalized pretty much like the look that we like. So we really just need one more piece to really get the whole thing sealed, and that's gonna be, actually we have two things. The one thing is that bookshelf that's supposed to be in stock at the end of April from IKEA, and the other one is a good set of new chairs for that dining table that we have yet to unclutter, but that's the goal of this week, is to get that dining room more usable, and that'll be like every room in the apartment is usable. Maybe not perfect, but usable. Anyway, those are really great, seeing the aunts and uncles. A lot of them I haven't seen. I saw the aunts last year when we came for the baby shower. I haven't seen the uncles since Christmas 2019, so it was really great catching up with them. Sorry we didn't vlog too much, but we were just too busy eating and chit-chatting and just having a good family time. And it was always great to have James meet such important people in his life and our life. But tomorrow's Monday. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not looking forward to it. But trying to go into it optimistically. But when you find yourself meeting those challenges of being optimistic, you got to look at ways to change them, and that might be just the path I'm gonna be going down, is the path of changing things when it comes to work. So we shall see. Only time will tell. It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.